Today we are making kimchi찌개, known as kimchi stew. The secret is very simple. You have to use olive oil and sesame oil. So let's make it. Slice pork belly into thin pieces. Kimchi needs to be cut as well. You can cut them into however size you want. A bite size would be nice. Here I prepared the same amount of kimchi and pork belly, but later on I'm adding more kimchi. Ideally, kimchi and pork belly should be 3:2 ratio. Add olive oil to a pot on a medium heat and add the pork belly slices. Cook them until they are completely cooked. Then add the cut kimchi pieces. And add 3 tablespoons of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 2 tablespoons of plum extract. Stir all the ingredients to make sure they are fully mixed in. I'm adding more kimchi now and another tablespoon of olive oil. The last ingredient is 2 tablespoons of gochugaru. You mix them in with the rest of the ingredients. I learned this kimchi stew from my mother-in-law because when she made it, it was so good. It reminded me of the kimchi stew I used to eat in the olden days, cooked on an old-style fire furnace. Then simmer the stew in low heat for about 20 minutes. You can leave it longer too. The thing about kimchi stew is that the longer you cook, the tastier it gets. I usually serve it with rice like this. This is how you make Sampo Kimchi Stew.